Okay, Carlos, Oscar's busy, so I'm going to demonstrate this for you. I'm going to take it out. Obviously, installing it will be the reverse. First, the screw on the back. I'm using a star tool, but you can use a regular flat screwdriver. I'm going to pull the cover off there. And then there's actually, let's see, I already disconnected this earlier. I'm going to reconnect it so I can show you. Alright, so to take this apart, there are 4 screws there, 2 plugs here. The first plug you have to reach under and push a lever on the bottom like this. Pull it out. It will just snap in though with no problem. And the other one you just wiggle to take off. Sometimes it's tight. There we go. Then we will take these 4 screws out. Quite simple. Again, you can use a flat screwdriver on these if you need to. And that is really all that there is to it. At that point it will just slide out. You'll have to move these aside, but it's no problem. It just slides out like that, and we will leave it on the desk for you. Thanks.